tutorial for my brand manual ClickUp template. This is something that I just use as reference for myself and for my team. It's great when you're scaling quickly, bringing on a team, and you just want to have all of your brand assets, passwords, software, all the things in one place. So when you download and upload the template, it's going to come in as a folder here with all of these different lists below. So I always look at it from the folder view, clicking on the folder, and basically this is totally informational. It has a business overview where I can click in here and I can talk about the vision for my business. So this is something that people can pop in if they're a new hire and go see what you do, what you're all about. It's also great for me just to have my why, my vision, the business model, my ideal client, all the things just right in front of me. Future dreams and ideas, this is just, again, keeping those dreams in front of your face at all times, manifesting those. Brand assets, this would be links to my primary logo, so I would probably put a Google Drive link here to where someone could very easily go download my logo, links to my brand photos, all my typography details, color scheme, product suite. I would go through here and let's say I'm a coach and say one-on-one coaching. I like to put my pricing here, let's say $2,000 per month. That way it's easy access. Anyone on my team can go look. Even me, sometimes if my product suite gets big, I forget how much I'm charging for things. So this is super helpful. Marketing assets, links to any freebies you have or any other collateral that might be helpful, Canva templates, social media templates, all the things. Quick links here, just links to different sales pages or how to book a discovery call with you. Anything that might just be helpful to have easy access would go there. And then software and passwords. So you could click in here and put your username and password here. So that is the brand manual in a nutshell. I don't even use these. You know, we could very easily, if these bother you, you can hide them all just by right-clicking and hiding. So this is just purely informational, but it has been wonderful for my business and bringing people on. So I hope that was helpful. If you are watching this on YouTube, this is a part of a bundle called the CEO System Bundle. It comes with ClickUp and Excel spreadsheets that help you as a CEO scale your business with really efficient systems. We have marketing, PR, project management, a lot of these kind of business overview, goals, all the things. So all the details are in the video description below. Go check it out. My name is Gracie Chambers. I am very active on Instagram and talk all about systems. So go give me a follow, and I hope this helped.